Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is December 1st. Yay! I know a lot of you guys are excited. I'm super excited myself, but I'm most excited because this year I decided to give Vlogmas a try. So this is why you see me doing videos vlog style. So I just got out of my bed, literally like it's not out of my bed, but you know what I mean. I just got ready for the day. I got a nails appointment to go and I will bring you guys along, and then we're gonna start, taking care of some boxes that I have. I have to also show you some things that I ordered for Black Friday. I have a lot to do, you guys, so hopefully you're ready to spend the day with me. Grab your coffee, grab your hot cocoa, whatever you want to sip on, because this will probably be a long video. Follow me on Instagram, then you probably know that I was in New York with the family for Thanksgiving, and we just got back last night on Sunday, really late, by the way. We got home like almost midnight, I want to say. So I'm super exhausted, I'm tired, but I got to get to work because we need to finish decorating the home. I also have to finish a couple of collaborations that I have. I'm gonna have one with JCPenney coming up, and also with Best Choice Products, which I'm gonna be showing you what I got from them for the holidays. I'm super excited. And look at this kitchen. I need to show you what I got on Black Friday for my case. On Black Friday, these are the items that I got for myself. I got this Mr. Coffee Eyes and Hot Coffee. This is a lot smaller and very portable looking. So I wanted something small for the coffee slash hot cocoa bar this year because mine is just so huge. Then I also needed a new blender. So I got this one that was on special, the Ninja Auto IQ. I really hope this works. And then I'm gonna show you the new air fryer. I got this air fryer from Walmart, and it's pretty big, you guys. It's really nice with the gold detail, and then it's all digital. Like if you plug it in. So right here, I'm just setting up Jaden's little elf. He's supposed to arrive today. So here's the setup that I did. How are you, baby? How's school? Don't touch him, remember. Are you excited? Oh. Excited, and here's his opening his advent calendar. This one I got it from Aldi. My lunch break, I decided to put all these clothes back that I have unpacked for Jaden from our trip. This is all the clean clothes that he didn't get to wear in New York. I know I seriously overpacked. But anyways, I'm just putting everything back here so before I head out to do my nails. So I just got to the nail salon. Let's see. Let's do this. I feel brand new. My nails look so cute. I'm done, you guys, doing my nails. Now I am gonna go grocery shopping. Telling you, and it's like what, 6 o'clock? I think it's 5:38. It looks like it's 6 o'clock. So dark out, and my nails look so nice. I know my nail lady is always complaining because I'm so basic. I always go for the light white or light pink colors, but for Christmas I will do something fun, I promise. So here I am at Target. You guys, I came for some groceries, but the first thing that I did was stop at the dollar spot, and I found some goodies, some cute stuff there. They have this little mini wreath, and I bought 2 packs. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that, but I just bought it. I also got 2 of these mini black treats, and this little bowl stuffer is so cute. I also got some of these pigs. They have a bunch of stuff, you guys, so stop at your local Target. I also passed by the home decor aisle. Why not? They have a bunch of Christmas decor still, which is nice. I also got this little cute tree. I picked it up online, but I just wanted to show you how it looks. And finally, I found my gingerbread mug that I wanted forever. So today is Thursday, December 2nd. We are getting Jade ready for school.
No.
I am still sleepy. He doesn't want to go to school. Why?
Because I want to stay with you.
You want to stay with Mama?
Yes.
Why?
Because
Doctor's appointment this morning.
I'll go with you.
This is every morning. So before Jaden heads out to school, he's gonna open day 2 of his advent calendar. He gets super excited every day to do this, but honestly, he wants to do it all the same day. Like, he wants to open everything. It is time to clean up this office space and add some Christmas cheer. My friends from Best Choice Products were nice enough to send me some Christmas items here, like this rotating Christmas tree stand and my pencil flock tree as well. So I'm going to be sharing those items with you. Don't forget to check the description box so you guys could shop this Christmas tree and also the rotating stand. And also don't forget that Best Choice Products has amazing quality outdoor furniture and also home decor pieces, Christmas tree, and anything you need this holiday season, and great gift ideas for adults and kids. This is the pre-lit snow tree by Best Choice Products, and let me tell you guys, it was super easy to assemble. Not only that, it was super easy to fluff as well. So this is something that you definitely want to consider when you buy a Christmas tree. And also the price was amazing. To decorate the tree this year, I'm going to be using this champagne gold type of color, and a lot of the decorations that I'm using are all from Michael's, and I did buy them last year, except for this florals that you see there. Those I got from Hobby Lobby this year, and this garland I believe is also from Hobby Lobby. This is how beautiful the tree looks when it was done. You guys, I am obsessed. I love how this rotating stand makes the Christmas tree spin around. It's just a perfect little touch for the holiday season. And here I'm just gonna start cleaning up the office a little bit and dusting and adding a few more decorative pieces for the holiday season. This advent calendar, I got it from JCPenney. And I want to put it up there because Jaden keeps playing with it. And then these nutcrackers that you see back there, the black ones, are from Ross. And I'm just adding a few touches here and there, nothing crazy. These picks are from Target. I'm just gonna add them here to this vase. The ceramic LED Christmas trees are from JCPenney, and this beautiful wreath is from Macy's. And here's how the outfit turned out, you guys. How beautiful. Look at that tree, you guys. Simply amazing. Let me know what you think down in the comments. That was it for today's video. Don't forget to check the description box so you could get this beautiful tree or the rotating stand, or shop Best Choice Products for the holiday season to get a gift for anyone in your family. Don't forget to hit that subscribe if you're not part of the family, and I will see you all on the next one. God bless.